Hey guys, first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful, exquisite, classy, and elegant collection of hand embroidery ideas that are specifically entitled to denim embroidery. Denim fabric could be embroidered with the help of these beautiful, pretty, and creative ideas. All of these are embroidery patterns on denim jacket. If you have already existing in use plain denim jackets, then you can renew them with the help of with the art of very beautiful and artistic patterns of embroidery that you are seeing onto your screens. The beauty and creativity of this video collection of design ideas is that it contains a different and a wide range of variety of denim fabric colors, denim jackets, so that you can get ideas relevant to all different shades of denim fabric. And for getting more accurate and beautiful results, I would recommend you to use the exact color combination of threads and exact base color of your jacket. So different stylized patterns like border embroidery onto your denim jacket, back embroidery, front embroidery, along with shoulder embroidery, shoulder borderline embroidery. Different stylized patterns have been used with the usage of simple and basic beginner-friendly hand embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, like stem stitch, fly stitch, chain stitch, and simple and basic beginner-friendly hand embroidery stitches. I hope that all of you are liking the ideas, the demand, the draft, the craft patterns, and the amazing and beautiful dimension of this video collection is that you can use it for a wide variety of reasons. That is, you can use them for hand embroidery, and also at the same time, you can use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery for machine embroidery also. So, ranging from different ranges of blue shade along with different ranges of black, grayish, and charcoal colors, this is an absolute favorite treat to you. So with this, I would request you to don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos, and leave comments in the comment section that which design you like the most. And with your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. I would request you and recommend you to watch my videos on daily basis, and we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic motive and purpose behind making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity, design patterns, and ideas of hand embroidery thread work with you. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. Up to then, take care.